Hey guys, welcome to my baking channel. Today, we will be making German hazelnut loaf cake with chocolate glaze. This German hazelnut loaf cake is perfect for cozy coffee time and last-minute visitors. I love the simplicity of this cake and that it's really easy to make. You will be amazed by the moist texture and combination with the shiny chocolate glaze. So let's get baking. For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can find the exact measurements in the description box below. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease and line a large loaf pan with parchment paper. In a large mixing bowl, add in the 250 grams of softened butter, 250 grams of sugar, 4 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat this on medium-high speed until it turns pale and fluffy. Make sure to scrape the sides of your bowl. Add in the 250 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Beat this until everything is well combined. Do not overmix this. Lastly, we can add in the 250 grams of finely ground hazelnuts and 250 milliliters of milk. Beat this just until everything comes together. We do not want to overmix this at this point. This is the consistency we are looking for. We can now pour our mixture into the prepared loaf pan. Bake this for about 55 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. My cake is done baking. It turned out perfectly. I baked mine for 58 minutes. Let this cool down completely. So I've already transferred my cake onto a wire rack. Make sure to place a piece of parchment paper underneath. We can now make the chocolate glaze. Add the 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil into the bowl of your 200 grams of semi-sweet chocolate. Place it in the microwave for a few seconds until everything has melted. Then give this a good mix until the chocolate has dissolved completely and you get that smooth and shiny consistency just like so. I'm now going to pour the chocolate glaze over my cooled cake. You can also dust your cake with confectioner sugar instead if you want it to be more simple. And finally, I'm going to sprinkle about 1 tablespoon of chopped nuts on top. This is totally optional. So this is my German hazelnut loaf cake. This cake is so moist and just slightly sweet. Therefore, I find it real perfect with a chocolate glaze. Enjoy a slice with fresh brewed coffee or hot cocoa. I'm telling you guys, this tastes absolutely amazing. You must give this recipe a try. I hope you enjoyed my video today. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more yummy recipes. Take care and see you next time. Bye!